Alright, in this video I'm going to be trying the Forest Lion battery that I made in the last video, and you can see the 4 cells down here. They're 35 amp batteries, and they are 2800 milliamp hour batteries. And the one that they suggest to go with the Cinewhoop 30 is a 1500 milliamp hour battery. So we will go ahead and run this one first, see how much flight time we get out of it. This is only around 176 grams. The difference is the lithium ion is around 196 or 97. I'll have it down below on how much that weighs. And here's a comparison. The size are pretty much almost identical. The lithium ion's a little bigger, but they're about the same size. This one does weigh about 20 grams more, but you get 2800 milliamp hour battery. So to do a true test, I did order a battery that comes in around the same weight as the lithium ion battery, but it's not in yet, so I'll do a test on that later to see if the weight actually makes a difference and not just the composition of the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and run this down to 3.5 volts. That's what they suggest you run it down to, and these can go a lot lower. I'm going to run it down to about 3 volts per cell. So I did put the volts on my display, so you'll be able to see that in there, and we'll just see how much flight time we get. All right, here we go. All right, let's check the battery temperature. So it's warm, but it's not hot at all. It's barely warm. And if you looked at the video, if you watched the whole thing, you can see I didn't really go over 15 amps, so it didn't really push this battery. Again, I was just using this for cruising, so it didn't do too bad. It said it's barely warm. It's definitely warm, but it's nowhere close to being hot at all. All right. All right, that's it for the video. Again, I wanted to just show you the lithium ion compared to the LiPo that I was using. And although this is a little heavier, it does have a lot more milliamp hours, and I can drain it down a lot lower. And for cruising, I was able to get a really good flight time out of it. So let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.